This is the Nevada Department of Public Safety with the December test of the Nevada Emergency Alert System. Broadcasters, cable operators, IPTV providers, and the National Weather Service provide EAS as a way for state and local officials to warn you about emergencies and keep you informed during disasters. This station provides these messages free of charge as part of their commitment to serve this community. You can find information about preparing for emergencies on state and local government websites. Stay informed and stay safe by listening to your favorite local radio station and watching your favorite local TV station. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system.